Are you connected to GoHighLevel? Yes, GoHighLevel is one of the connected integrations. How many contacts do I have in my database? Okay, it's thinking through. It says I have 1,324 contacts. Look up Brandon Wong. So it found a match, and I'm going to send a text message. Send Brandon a text message. Hey, what's up, buddy? So it sent me the text message, and that is just one function, one ability once you have connected your GoHighLevel to Claude. So this is how you connect GoHighLevel to Claude or Claude Code. The first step is to be logged into Claude. You're going to go to Settings, and then you're going to go to Connectors, and you're going to click Add and Add Custom Connector. We're going to call this one GoHighLevel. And then for the remote server, if you just do a quick Google search for GoHighLevel MCP server, it's going to take you here. This will be one of the first results. You're going to grab this endpoint, which, as they describe here, will give us access to over 40 domains across GoHighLevel. Paste it here. You can leave this blank. I'm going to click Add, and I'm going to click Connect. If you haven't logged in, it's going to have you log into GoHighLevel. Because I'm logged in, it took me straight here. I'm going to click on Install, proceed to. And so here you're going to select your company from the dropdown, and then you're going to hit Continue. And then you are going to be able to adjust the scope here, so the permissions that your Claude will have access to. And so right now I'm just going to leave it all open, but you can see it's quite a wide variety of access here. So this is where you adjust your scopes, click Allow and Install. And now we get a little message, connected to GoHighLevel. So let's verify that. Are you connected to GoHighLevel? And for those of you who aren't using it yet, I'm using WhisperFlow. It allows me to essentially type at 200 words per minute using my voice. So yes, GoHighLevel is one of the connected integrations. How many contacts do I have in my database? Okay, it's thinking through. It says I have 1,324 contacts. Look up Brandon Wong. So it found a match, and I'm going to send a text message. Send Brandon a text message. Hey, what's up, buddy? So it sent me the text message, and that is just one function, one ability once you have connected your GoHighLevel to Claude. So you can also create emails. You can draft them inside of Claude and then push them to GoHighLevel. You can update opportunities in the opportunity pipeline. You can create and delete contacts. You saw earlier there was a giant list of stuff that you can do with the new MCP server that we just installed. It doesn't give you access to every single API endpoint in GoHighLevel, but it gives you a significant chunk of them. And if you want to take this a step further, you can create a custom MCP server and attach it to all of the API endpoints. And you can create gating. So if you do a destructive activity, like you're going to delete a contact, or if you're going to send out like a mass text, you can add an approval layer. So it will ask you for approval and present you what it's going to do first, and then you can approve it. And then that way you have that extra security, that extra control in place that you don't have with the standard MCP server. So I hope you guys enjoyed the training, and I'll see you at the next one. Bye now.